Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by stray files cluttering up your Google Drive, then today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to move your Google Sheets documents into the right folders, making your digital life so much more organized and efficient. Whether you're sorting work files or just keeping your personal projects neat, this simple skill is a real game changer, so let's get started right away. First things first, let's open up the Google Sheet that you'd like to move. Maybe it's your monthly budget tracker, a team roster, or any sheet you've been working on. Just pull it up so you're looking at the actual document. Getting into this habit is helpful because starting from inside the file makes the next steps really straightforward. Now up toward the very top of your Google Sheet window, you'll notice a little icon that looks just like a folder. This is the Move icon, and it's your ticket to tidying up. If you haven't noticed it before, don't worry, Google designed it to be pretty obvious once you know it's there. It's usually right beside the name of your sheet at the top. Go ahead and click on this folder icon. When you do, a new window or box will pop up right in the middle of your screen. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see a list of all your available folders and files, almost like peering into your filing cabinet to decide exactly where you want the sheet to live from now on. If you've already created folders for your different projects or categories, they should all appear here. And if you haven't, no problem. You can actually make a new folder right from this window by clicking the little folder icon with a plus sign, usually at the bottom corner. That way, you can get organized on the fly. But for now, just scroll through and locate the folder where you want your sheet to go. Once you find the right spot, click on that folder to select it. You'll notice it highlights just to let you know that it's the destination. Take your time choosing. If you've got a lot of folders, it might help to think of this like putting a physical file into a drawer so you can easily find it later. Now you're ready to make the move. Down in the window, you'll see a button labeled Move. Go ahead and click that. In just a second, Google will whisk your sheet away to its new folder. No downloads, no hassle. You may see a quick confirmation at the top letting you know the document has been moved. And that's really all there is to it. This simple step can save you so much confusion later on. No more hunting through dozens of loose files for that one important budget or team document. Keeping things sorted into folders isn't just neat, it makes collaborating and sharing much easier too. Don't worry if it takes you a moment the first time. Before you know it, you'll be organizing like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And remember, for more straightforward tech tips and step-by-step tutorials, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.